Welcome to my video with a series of videos on power tools. This is a Dewalt grinder, 240 volt. I believe the 110 voltage is exactly the same. Quite straightforward enough. This is a 11,000 revs per minute machine. Works fine. No particular oddities about it. Probably the trigger is a bit different than the locking device. So to push it on, let's just turn it off there so you can see it. To turn it on, push it down, and just to release it, just push that, clicks off, which is not bad. A couple of times I've missed put it on, but I think it was me, not the machine, so it's as straightforward as that. Handle goes in obviously left and right handed. There's a locking device there for that, and the model number is that one there. For us UK viewers, I got this at Amazon. I think it was about £55–60, something like that. Cheapest around everywhere, so you can't beat that. Right, now to the actual machine itself. Obviously always remember your PPE, so safety glasses and goggles. Just one little thing I need to tell you about, which I did find very unusual, which is obviously make sure your power's off when you do this. Changing the discs, it doesn't come with the normal prong, it comes with an Allen key, a large Allen key, which is different, but it actually works quite well. So obviously lock it out, put it into the appropriate hole, spin it off, and off it comes. This is obviously a very thin one, cutting disc. There's a thicker one, a grinding disc, so once we just put that back on there, back in there like that. Back out. It's a little bit easier than the prong type. Let's push that back down there like that. Obviously it's still got the holes for the prong type. When you lose that or wear it out, what I actually did was weld a washer on the end of it and then tie it to the cable then. Just a little handy device. Right, now to go to the grinding. I've used it on the van, as you can see. Been quite a bit of work on that. Quite a bit more to go. I have two other grinders that burnt out in the meantime, which are these two here. I won't mention the brands, but these two burnt out. So I suppose I've used them for a few months, probably 6 months each. So let's hope the Dewalt lasts a bit longer. So I've got the grinding one in. Obviously it's a bit of a worn down blade, but it doesn't make any difference. Put PPE on, glasses and muffs, and I'll just do a quick grind for you. Switched on. One thing I've noticed that's different about this machine than the other ones that I've used before is that when you've got going for it, it doesn't lose power. Whereas those, previously even when they were new, you could feel the power going down. But other than that, fantastic tool. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and see my other videos.